Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Oh, no.
Why are you saying, oh no?
Because whenever someone asks me about cooking, something embarrassing usually follows.
That's not a good sign.
It's really not.
So, do you enjoy cooking?
Honestly,
Yeah?
I enjoy eating.
That's not the question.
I know.
Do you enjoy cooking?
I enjoy the idea of cooking.
What does that mean?
Before I start cooking, I feel very confident.
Okay.
After I start cooking, I regret everything. I'm serious.
So you're not a good cook?
Let's just say my smoke alarm knows me very well.
No way.
Yes way.
Really?
Unfortunately.
What happened?
Which time?
Oh no.
Exactly.
Okay, tell me your worst cooking story.
That's difficult.
Because there are too many?
Yes. Okay. About 2 years ago, I decided to cook pasta.
That sounds easy.
That's what I thought.
What happened?
I watched a cooking video online.
Good start?
The chef said, "This recipe is very easy."
Uh-oh.
Whenever someone says that, I get nervous now. So I bought all the ingredients.
Okay,
I prepared everything.
sounds good.
I even played Italian music.
Seriously?
I wanted the full experience.
That's actually kind of cute.
Thank you.
Then what happened?
I forgot to add water.
Wait,
Yeah.
you cooked pasta without water?
Apparently,
How?
I don't know.
What happened to the pasta?
It became art.
Art.
Modern art. It turned black.
Oh no.
Then the smoke alarm started.
No way!
My neighbor came to check if I was okay.
That's terrible.
The worst part?
There's a worse part?
I was still hungry. So I ordered pizza.
That was probably a good decision.
The best decision of the night.
Honestly, I understand.
What about you?
Actually, I love cooking.
Really?
Yeah,
Are you good at it?
most of the time.
That sounds dangerous.
What do you mean?
Most of the time means there are stories.
You're right.
I knew it.
I enjoy trying new recipes.
Me too.
Really?
Well, I enjoy watching other people try new recipes.
That's different.
Very different.
One time, I tried to bake a birthday cake for my friend.
Oh, that's nice.
It was supposed to be nice.
What happened?
I forgot one ingredient.
Which one?
Sugar.
No way.
Yes.
You forgot sugar in a cake?
Apparently.
What did it taste like?
Sadness. I'm serious.
Did your friend eat it?
She tried.
That's a good friend.
A very good friend.
Did she like it?
She said, it's very interesting.
Oh, no.
Exactly.
That's the most dangerous compliment.
I know.
Did you ever make that cake again?
Absolutely not. But honestly, I still enjoy cooking.
Even after the cake disaster?
Definitely.
That's brave.
You know what's funny?
What?
When I was a child, I thought cooking was easy.
Me too.
Then I became an adult.
And everything changed.
Exactly.
Actually,
What?
something much worse happened when I tried cooking breakfast one morning.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Now I have to hear this story. Okay, I'm worried.
You should be.
What happened?
It happened on a Saturday morning.
Okay.
I woke up feeling very confident.
That's always dangerous.
Exactly.
What did you want to cook?
A simple breakfast.
That sounds safe.
That's what I thought.
What was on the menu?
Eggs,
Okay.
toast,
Very normal.
and coffee.
Sounds perfect.
It did.
So what went wrong?
Everything.
Oh no.
I started with the coffee.
Good idea.
Then I put bread in the toaster.
Still good.
Then I started cooking the eggs.
Okay.
Then I checked my phone.
Uh-oh.
A friend sent me a funny video.
Never check your phone while cooking.
I know that now.
How long did you watch the video?
Maybe 30 seconds.
That's not too bad.
It was actually 5 minutes.
Dave,
The video was very funny.
what happened to the eggs?
They became history. Then I smelled something strange.
Oh no.
The toast was black,
No way.
and the coffee machine was making a very strange sound.
What happened to the coffee?
I forgot to put the cup under the machine.
Wait.
Yeah,
So where did the coffee go?
everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
The counter,
Oh no.
the floor,
No.
even my socks.
Your socks?
Don't ask. That was the worst breakfast of my life.
What did you eat?
Cereal,
Probably a smart choice.
the smartest choice I've ever made.
Do you still cook breakfast?
Only when I'm feeling brave. What about you?
I actually enjoy cooking breakfast.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite breakfast to cook?
Pancakes.
Oh, I love pancakes.
Me too.
Are you good at making them?
Usually.
That sounds suspicious.
Why?
Because you said usually.
Okay, fair.
What happened?
Well, a few years ago, I invited some friends over for brunch.
That sounds nice.
It was supposed to be.
Oh no.
I decided to make homemade pancakes.
Okay,
I wanted them to be perfect.
I understand.
I found a recipe online.
Another dangerous sentence.
You're right.
What happened?
Well, the recipe said to add 1 tablespoon of salt.
Okay,
So I did.
that sounds normal.
Actually,
Oh no.
the recipe said 1 teaspoon.
No way.
Yes.
Did you notice?
Not until everyone started eating.
Oh my gosh.
My friend took 1 bite.
And?
She smiled.
That's a good sign.
No.
Why?
It was the same smile from the birthday cake story.
The interesting smile?
Exactly.
Ha.
Then another friend asked, "Did you make these with ocean water?"
No way.
Yes.
That's actually very funny.
I wanted to disappear.
What did you do?
I ordered food.
Really?
Absolutely.
What did you order?
Pancakes
That's
from a restaurant.
amazing.
Honestly, they were much better.
Do you still make pancakes?
Yes.
Really?
But now I check the salt 3 times.
That's probably a good idea.
Definitely.
You know what?
What?
I think everyone has at least one terrible cooking story.
I agree.
Actually,
Oh no.
I haven't told you about the chicken incident.
The what?
The chicken incident.
That sounds serious.
It was very serious.
Okay, I have to ask.
Go ahead.
What is the chicken incident?
Honestly, it's one of the most embarrassing things I've ever done.
Really?
Very really.
Now I'm excited.
It happened last year.
Okay,
I decided I wanted to become a better cook.
that's a good goal.
That's what I thought.
What did you decide to cook?
Roasted chicken.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's not easy.
I didn't know that.
Of course.
I found a recipe online.
Again?
Please don't judge me.
Okay.
The recipe looked simple.
Uh-oh.
I bought everything.
Good.
I cleaned the kitchen.
Very responsible.
I even wore an apron.
Really?
A professional-looking apron.
Wow.
I felt like a real chef.
I can imagine.
I put the chicken in the oven.
Okay.
Then, I waited.
Sounds good so far.
Then I got bored.
Oh no.
So I started watching a movie.
Dave.
I know.
What movie?
An action movie.
That's even worse.
Why?
Because action movies are exciting.
Exactly.
Did you forget about the chicken?
Completely.
For how long?
About an hour.
An hour?
Maybe a little more.
Oh my gosh.
Then I smelled something.
Please don't tell me.
I ran to the kitchen.
And?
The chicken looked different.
Different?
Very different.
How different?
Let's just say it wasn't brown anymore.
No way.
It was black.
Oh no.
Completely black.
What did you do?
I called my mother.
Seriously?
Yes.
What did she say?
She asked me one question.
What?
Why didn't you set a timer? Honestly, I didn't have an answer.
Did you eat the chicken?
Absolutely not.
Good.
Even my dog refused to eat it.
No way.
Yes,
That's actually impressive.
it was a very sad day.
What did you eat?
Instant noodles?
Again, a smart decision.
Thank you.
You know what?
What?
I have a chicken story too.
Really?
Yeah.
Please tell me you didn't burn it.
No.
Really?
Actually, something worse happened.
What could be worse?
I forgot to cook it.
Wait,
Yeah.
what do you mean?
I was making fried chicken.
Okay,
I prepared everything.
sounds good.
Then I started talking on the phone with my friend.
Oh no.
We talked for almost an hour.
Wow.
After the phone call, I looked at the kitchen table.
And?
The chicken was still there.
No way.
Yes,
You forgot to start cooking?
completely. I had prepared everything.
That's amazing.
The oil wasn't even hot.
Oh my gosh.
I spent an hour preparing food that never got cooked.
Honestly, that sounds like something I would do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you cook often now?
Not really.
Why?
Because I'm afraid. I'm serious.
What do you usually eat?
Simple food.
Like,
Eggs,
okay,
rice,
good,
instant noodles,
of course.
and food delivery.
That's not cooking.
It's food management. What about you?
I still love cooking.
Even after all your disasters?
Definitely.
Why?
Because when cooking works, it's really fun.
That's true.
And honestly, making mistakes is part of learning.
Wow.
What?
Actually,
What?
there is one thing I've always wanted to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
And honestly, I'm a little embarrassed to tell you.
Okay, now I'm curious.
Please don't laugh.
I can't promise that.
That's not very supportive.
Okay, I'll try.
I've always wanted to bake a cake.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not embarrassing.
Wait until you hear the reason.
Okay.
I watch those baking competition shows,
Me too.
and every time I watch them, I think, I can do that.
Oh no.
Exactly.
Have you ever tried?
Once.
Really?
And it did not go well.
What happened?
I wanted to make a chocolate cake.
That sounds delicious.
It was supposed to be.
Okay,
I followed the recipe very carefully.
that's good.
I measured everything.
Very responsible.
I mixed everything perfectly.
Wow.
Then I put it in the oven.
Okay.
And I waited.
Sounds great so far.
After 30 minutes, I checked the cake.
And?
It looked exactly the same.
Wait.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It was still liquid.
No way.
Yes.
How?
I forgot to turn on the oven.
Dave!
I know.
You put a cake in a cold oven?
Apparently.
Oh my gosh.
I sat there for 30 minutes waiting for nothing. Please stop laughing.
I can't.
Honestly, neither can I now.
Did you turn on the oven after that?
Yes.
And?
Then I burned the cake.
No way.
Yes way.
How?
Because I was so embarrassed that I forgot about it again.
That's incredible.
It was a very emotional day.
Did you ever try baking again?
Not yet.
Really?
I need time to recover. What about you?
Honestly, I still love cooking and baking.
Even after the cake disaster and the pancake disaster?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because cooking makes me happy.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy about it?
I like trying new things.
Okay,
I like sharing food with people.
that's nice.
And I love the feeling when a recipe actually works.
That must be amazing.
It is.
I've never experienced that feeling. I'm serious.
Maybe you should keep trying.
You think so?
Definitely.
What if I burn something again?
Then you'll have another funny story.
That's true.
Honestly, everyone makes mistakes in the kitchen,
Even good cooks?
especially good cooks.
Really?
Of course.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good.
You know what?
What?
Maybe I'll try cooking again this weekend.
Really?
Yeah,
What will you make?
something simple.
Like what?
Toast. Very carefully.
I believe in you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just don't watch videos while cooking.
Good advice.
And don't forget the water.
Also good advice.
And don't forget to turn on the oven.
Okay, now you're making fun of me.
Maybe a little.
That's not very supportive.
What about our listeners?
Good question.
Do you enjoy cooking?
What's the best thing you've ever cooked?
And what's the worst thing you've ever cooked?
Have you ever burned food?
Or forgotten an ingredient?
Leave a comment below.
We'd love to hear your cooking stories.
And remember,
Making mistakes is part of learning,
even in the kitchen.
especially in the kitchen. And maybe one day,
What?
I'll finally make a cake.
I believe you can do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.